Here I have Motorola One, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to tap on power key and hold it until the menu pops up. Now keep holding on power off key until you see the reboot to safe mode option. So now if you would like to reboot to safe mode, just tap on OK. Wait a while because your device has to restart itself, but it will take less than 1 minute. And now you can use your device in safe mode, and this safe mode can help you determine if some apps are to blame the issues with your phone, because it is working without apps activated. So that's it, and if you would like to go back to normal mode, just tap on power key, hold it for about 3 seconds and tap on restart. And that's it. Now you can use your device normally. You're in normal mode, standard one, with all apps activated. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.